Good afternoon. I really wanted to record this earlier today, but I have been stuck editing all day. My computer has been giving me a hard time, and it took forever to get the video done. But I did get it done, and I just uploaded it and made it public on Come On Homesteading. It's a really cool video, guys. Y'all should go check it out. Now we got to get some stuff ready. Go ahead. We got to go pick up and hook up to the trailer over there in the boneyard, because I've got to go pick up something tonight that I have to drop off tomorrow in Fort Smith. So Mike's gonna go over there and help me out loading that up tonight. Get some air conditioner going on in here. Before they go out of town, they're getting ready to go out of town. And once everybody goes, I won't have no help to load this up, and I'm gonna need help. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare for that. That way I'm ready when he's ready, and he ain't waiting on me, because I know he's busy. But while I'm driving, I actually want to go down and check the power lines out and see how that's looking, because I'm about to have to cut some grass this weekend, and I need to see if I'm gonna need to put the bush hog on Uber and go ahead and cut this down here as well. While I'm doing it, I didn't realize my tailgate was down. I need to take a couple of these trees out so I don't have to back up twice that direction to get down here. Let me flip y'all around so y'all can see what I see. What do you think, Domino? Think it needs to be cut? I think so. I think it's about time for another cutting, don't you? Domino's happy somebody's home. Ain't you, Domino? I know I'm glad I'm home. Still tired from all the driving and traveling across 3 states and everything, and then also all the stuff the month prior. But did make some progress yesterday. Look at those flowers. What are those flowers called, guys? I know I've seen them before, but I did get some stuff done yesterday, though. I got my desk and office and stuff moved into the cabin. So now I got a little bit more room in the tiny house and more room to edit and stuff, bigger space. I'm not so crowded now whenever I'm editing these videos. And I rearranged the living room and all of that, like I said I was going to do yesterday. Got all of that done. I still got a little bit of cleaning left to do in the tiny house, and a little bit more cleaning to do in the cabin, but I did get it done. I finished close to midnight last night. It took a little while just because I was going through things and organizing as I went. But tomorrow I've got to go to Fort Smith, drop off what I'm loading up today, and then I'm going to go to a feed store and get some feed for the animals. And while I'm there, I'm also going to grab some stuff for another fellow homesteader that don't have a truck that needs hay and feed and stuff. I don't think y'all met them on this channel yet. Don't know if they'll be there when I get there to drop it off or not, if you will. But just gonna go to help somebody out tomorrow that needs it. While I'm at the feed store, I might as well go ahead and grab everything that I need. And then when I get home tomorrow evening, it won't be evening, but later in the day tomorrow, I will be moving the goats and Eclipse. It's definitely time to get them moved, get them working on a new section. So I'm gonna get that done as well. Oh, I forgot I got Uber back here. I need to move Uber. You coming? Get you guys set up here. It's gonna be a little working with me one, guys. Don't mind how I'm dressed because I've been inside editing all day, so I'm comfortable. The goats are raising cane. It's close to their feeding time. They hungry. They hungry. Get them fed as soon as we get this set up. Gotta love having a backup camera. Makes life a little bit easier. I also got these plants right here from Tim's mom. I got the bag open so rain and stuff can get in there so they can grow until I'm ready to plant them. From what I hear, they will grow anywhere. Around the other side. Keep those bulldogs rolling. Just about got it. All right, got that loaded up. Haven't drove this trailer in a little while, so it'd be good to get that one on the road. You riding? Come on, load up. You know Domino's gonna ride. Also, whenever I move the goats, I gotta get the steel brush thing out and brush the clips out, because now that the heat is back, it's finally starting to warm up a little bit. She's starting to shed a little bit, so go ahead and get her brushed out whenever I do the move and get the goats on some fresh green grass, and then every one of those will be good to go, and then I can move towards planting some plants, working on the cabin, and getting that duck tractor made for the duckies. What do you think? You gonna build it? You're just enjoying that air conditioner, ain't you? You enjoying the air conditioner? Why are you looking guilty? Alright guys, I think that's going to be about it for today. Just doing a little stuff around here. Odds and ends, stuff that needs to get done. I'll probably bring y'all back tomorrow. Probably whenever we're heading to drop the trailer load off, and I'll let y'all know what's going on. But I love every single one of y'all. I hope y'all are having a great day. Hopefully y'all had a productive day, took a step closer to your goal, was nice to people, and kept it real. Come on.